Hello, crafty friends. I am doing another KSCraft tutorial, and this is going to be using their boom box die. And Nicole Silhouette designed this, and it is super cute. So this is the pieces that it comes with, okay? And so we're going to try to make a fun little box out of this, and I hope you all really like what I come up with. It's going to be a little bit different than probably what you've seen out here. So anyway, I hope you all like it, and I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so I did go ahead and create myself a little gift box that is slightly larger than the actual boom box itself. And that's because I wanted this honeycomb design underneath my little bees. And sorry, this is upside down. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut out one of these, okay? And then for this one, I went ahead and cut this out twice. Once with my gold glitter cardstock from Michaels, and also my foam paper, okay? And that's just to pop it up, and also I put a little acetate piece here that I just cut out myself. I just measured this and cut it out. And then I did this little piece one time, and that's this one right here. Oh, and by the way, the paper is like Bees to Honey digital 2 paper that I designed. And I haven't cut this one out yet. I haven't decided whether I'm going to do it in gold, shiny gold paper, or I'm probably going to do it in this one again though. But anyway, I just want to let you know that. So then when it comes to the 2 rings, I went ahead and cut this out twice. Okay, so literally there should be 4 rings that are foam paper and 1 ring that is the gold glitter cardstock right there. So, or 2 of these, right? So you have 2. And then for the acetate, I went ahead and cut out 2 of these, and I put that in there. Okay. Then also for my base piece, which is going to be my shaker, right? I cut this out twice with my cardstock as well. And then for this little piece right here, I went ahead and cut it out twice. Once with foam paper and also once with the glitter. And then I went ahead and measured this and cut out my own acetate because I also wanted that in acetate. And let's see, also for this little piece right here, I went ahead and cut this out 3 times. Once in foam, once in black, and once in gold. And the foam was so that my little buttons would be a little bit more pronounced. And I did the same with this little piece right here, and I decided that I wanted this little knob to be gold instead of black. So I actually cut out 3 times. I don't know if you can kind of tell, but that's this little piece right here, okay? And this little piece goes here, right? So I apologize. I cut this one out twice, once in foam and once in black, and then I cut this one out with the gold, okay? So let's see. And then also you have a couple of the other little parts, and I will go through those at the end if I need to. I also create a little shaker package myself with a bunch of different shakers that I have. And so I thought that would look really super cute. And let's go ahead and go with putting this together. So I'm going to do a short little speed through video and or process video so you can see what it looks like. my little bee related boom box, like Bees to Honey 2 digital collection. And don't forget that this is from KSCraft Lover Store on Amazon as well as AliExpress, and I will have those links down below. I don't believe that this one is in the Amazon shop yet, so I will just go ahead and leave the AliExpress link. And I think it just turned out super cute. I love anything that is bumblebee themed. So I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop as well to pick up this Like Bees to Honey 2 digital paper. And I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. See y'all soon. Bye.